Hello everyone, welcome back to another Sunday watch list. Remember to click the link in the description if you're not already a member to get access to more watch lists and alerts, as well as education materials and a couple other things we have to offer. But that aside, let's get right into the watch list. First we have Adobe. We've had Adobe on our list a lot lately, but that's mainly just because it's been going through this very nice breakout and then consolidation phase. So we broke out of, there's two ways you could draw it, either these lines, and now we're pushing up towards this resistance. So we're sort of caught in a range here, and you can also see there's a little bit of a flag forming on the daily here. Right now I'm just playing it as a sort of support touch, but as the week develops we get more candles, I'll probably throw the flag in here as well. Next we have Amazon. Amazon was able to make new all-time highs on Friday, but then sold off pretty hard. What we're really looking for here is a retest of this 34.34 area. Or if we throw on the 2-hour, you could see that it already has a little bit of support here at 34.60. So we want to see how it reacts at the 60 level and then play off the 34 level. Next we have Disney, a little bit of a falling wedge here. It's kind of peeking out here. It's got the MAs backing it up here. It looks very, very nice. For confirmation, if you want a safer entry, you could wait till a 188 break and then go for the test on the 50. Mars, another one that we've been watching for a while, or at least that I've been watching for a while. Got some 50 support right here while it's pushing up against this trend line. A break of this trend line, like we saw on Thursday, should lead us to hit this upper trend line, which is more than enough of a move to get a nice little trade out of some monthly contracts. Also, please note that ER is on May 10th. Netflix, they just reported and fell hard. What we're seeing here is some nice support tests of this little bottom trend line here, which has held multiple times in the past. And now these wicks are sort of backing that up even further. With this massive gap above, I'm really watching this 515.50 level. Nike, a name that's been selling off a little bit, but then coming back. It's been definitely consolidating in this pretty big range here from about like 150 to 125. I've been caught in this range for a minute now. We're near the bottom of that range right now, around 132, excuse me. And a break of this sort of upward trend line here, and a break of the 50 here will lead us to upper price targets, potentially even all the way up at 141. But first, I definitely want to see a break of this upper trend line here, or a hold of this support line here at 132.50. And then I want to see how it reacts to the 50, where then we could either start scaling out early or even potentially add to the position. Next we have SLQT, just a very nice sort of build towards this resistance that it keeps rejecting. A very, very structured setup when the market is looking pretty uneasy. To start off, for broad market, let's look at SPY. Again, SPY, this consolidation just looks very, very ugly. The candles are extremely skinny, these wicks are super long at points, and it's really not pushing us up all that much. So I would definitely watch out. I'm definitely not adding any size back on, still staying small and taking on fewer positions than I normally would. Also keeping my eye out for times where we could potentially hedge. As for the Qs, same sort of deal. This consolidation up here just not pushing any higher at all. Every time we test all-time highs or make new all-time highs, just for the rest of the day or even the next day, we just start selling off. Again, same thing you're seeing here, lots and lots of wicks, which is indicative of a lot of indecision. So that's all I have for this Sunday watch list. Again, make sure you click the link in the description so you can get access to the rest of the room and trade real time in the mornings with all of us.